I'll have to use a red cup. What'd you do? What the hell? Matt?
What? What?
Are you trying to break the ice machine?
What are you talking about?
Matthew Aaron Rivera.
What?
What happened?
What are you talking about?
Hilarious.
What?
What happened? Matt, I'm serious. I just got this thing fixed.
What are you doing?
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
What are you doing?
You're trying to, this will break it.
It's
You
fine.
can't chop up chicken nuggets.